the 5th of November I've got 2 parcels from China. I'll check it, what's inside. The first one. What is it inside? 3, 4, 5. 5 black daughters. 3, 4, 5. Oh, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black and 3, 4, 5 white. So that's okay. The second one, what is it? I don't know. Let's check it. I don't know. Oh. It's mini personal alarm. Personal alarm. I have to call my mother. How it works? Oh, I don't know. But there is no battery. Maybe. How it works, I don't know. There's no battery. The problem is we have to take the plastic out between accumulators, and that's okay. Now the light is on, and oh, it's very and how it works. Okay. Okay, 40 seconds. Oh my God. Okay, 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12, I forgot. 12, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15. Oh my god, my French. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We are ready. Maybe. It works. C'est bon. À voir.